Poštovanje svima, ovo je moj prvi video koji snimam Assassin's Creed Mirage igricu, nastavak Mirage Valley of Memory, pa da vidimo kako BASIM razvaljuje ovdje dalje.
BASIM, finally.
Have you missed me that much?
I have something to show you.
I have something to show you.
Where did you find this?
A Bedouin merchant passed through,
Ova igrica je
selling
toliko
some
zanimljiva,
items. Most
znači
stolen,
uživam
I
dok
suspect.
igram ovu igricu.
But this painting
Pogotovo ovaj
caught my
nastavak
eye.
mislim da je predobar.
It reminded me of your brooch.
Samara.
Do you think your father painted it?
He and I loved this house deeply. Where did the Bedouin find it?
He said he bought the painting in Al-Ula from a notorious peddler of stolen goods.
Al-Ula? When I was a boy, my father read me stories of that ancient land and its mysterious monuments. He said we would go there together when I was old enough to make the journey. I have not seen my father in many years. Not since the day he was exiled by the Khalifa.
Ovaj dio Assassin's Creed je veoma zanimljiv, jer u ovom nastavku koji je Assassin's Creed dao od, mislim, 18. novembra da su uploadovali,
What if my father is still
vodi
alive?
priču
I must go to
BASIMa,
Al-Ula.
jer kreću potragu za svojim davno izgubljenim
You
ocem.
will likely be crossing a
Nakon što
desert
čuje
to
glasine da je
visit
možda
a
živ,
grave.
veoma će
Still,
biti ovo zanimljivo.
I understand your need to make the journey. I know the place quite well, having previously traveled there on matters of commerce.
You will accompany me then?
Whatever you face, Basim, I will not let you do so alone. Now, are you ready to uncover the truth about your father?
I am ready.
Baš me zanima šta će se dešavati. Bagdad. Možda bi bolje bilo da sam krenuo od početka igrice da pređem, jer vjerujte, ovo je stvarno prezanimljiva igrica. Assassin's Creed. Čekaj, ali ovo sad ona planina je odakle sve počelo? Ja mislim da je ovo njihov kamp, gdje su se on obučavali.
I am not sure what scares me more.
Remember, it is foolish to deny the past, yet also unwise to surrender to it. Better to face it, accept it, and move on.
First, we go to the cemetery. If my father's grave truly lies there, I need to see it with my own eyes.
It has been a long journey, BASIM. Let us take the time to rest. We can go in the morning.
You are right. Tomorrow shall yield its answers, whatever they may be.
I evo ga, konačno možemo da igramo. Materials, ok.
Greetings, Sadiqi. I see a fine oud by your side. Practiced in its use, are you?
Oh yes, I'm able to play. Are you familiar with it?
I will admit I am not a very practiced musician, but I find it indeed unfortunate.
Why don't...
Oh,
not...
would you by any chance possess some notation?
Alas, I... Should you find...
I will endeavor to do so. Shukran laka, ya Sadiqi.
Malo da istražimo prvo sve.
Hello.
Nice to see you.
What have you got today?
Here is what's in stock. I have a gift with edges. Very well. Need a finer point? Agreed. Got what you needed?
Hajmo mi na
I must
misiju.
take my leave.
So long.
Šta je ovo? Imamo neke skills, možemo dodati. Ajmo ovo. Ne možemo više. Ništa, idemo ovamo sad da vidimo. Da ne gubimo vrijeme.
This burnt bean brew offends the tongue. You know nothing of fine flavor.
Greetings! Would you care to sample the wine of the bean?
Wine of the bean.
Ah, it is drawn from the roasted seeds of a shrub that grows far to the south.
And what virtue does it hold?
It steadies the mind and kindles the body. One draught and weariness is driven off.
You speak with great confidence.
Hajde probamo ovo.
It is sharp upon the tongue.
Its true flavor unfolds with
Perhaps a touch of...
Preposterous! None in their right mind would taint the brew in such a manner.
Ništa, odaje na misiju.
Truly, Al-Ula is a land of the rarest beauty.
Ovo mi je najdraže. Skaka. Trebao sam uzeti kamilu, ali želim da malo prošećemo ovim predjelom, da se upoznam sa... Trebao sam možda ovo sejovat ovdje, ali to ćemo kasnije. Pogledajte čovječe, grafike. Znači ovo je predivno. BASIM sa novim vještinama. Kanalu of Cemetery.
BASIM, over here. I hope you're well rested.
It was a fitful night. Sleep did not come easily. The moment of truth. Ishaq ibn Khalid.
Ishaq ibn Khalid.
Let us look for a grave bearing his name.
If he is here, our quest is done. And if he is not, there is still hope.
Evo. Slijedu za ovaj napad, učinu tražiš pomoć.
Hajde da vidimo sad šta nas čeka ovdje. Treba da istražimo ovo.
Jarir ibn Sulaim. This is not my father's final resting place. Do you recall the day my father was exiled?
Your father was a good man, but also a proud one. When he was exiled, the burden of his shame was more than he could bear.
So ashamed that he abandoned me.
Ovdje ima mezarova tona.
Rashid al-Hassadi. We must keep searching. The day my father left me with you, that moment has stayed with me ever since.
Of all the children who have come under my care, you were silent at first. But the pain...
Koliko treba još ono.
You have been a father to so many of us orphans. Yet, the horror that befell Jasib and the others.
They are gone from this world, BASIM, but not from our hearts.
I will examine the graves to the north. You, in the meantime, continue scouring the other burial grounds.
To je ovaj ovdje sigurno.
Mansour al-Kallabi. Not my father. A lifetime of hopes and fears, victories and defeats. Reduced to a name etched on crumbling stone. It feels so insubstantial.
Our bodies are insubstantial. The soul is what matters. You can threaten a man, plunder his goods, torture his flesh, even take his life, but his soul is his own. No one can seize that.
There is no sign of him here. My apologies. Is Enkidu troubling you? This is not the way he usually acts.
He startled me. But I see now he means no disrespect to my late husband.
I am sorry for your loss. What is your name?
I am Hind.
And I am Basim. Tell me, Hind, how long...
I do not know.
You must be exhausted. Allow me to escort you to your home.
You are very kind.
Traži oca, bala, šta će
I
ti
shall
kad...
seek word of your father. If you need me, I'll be back at the tent.
Forgive me if I am being too forward, but I assume your husband's passing was recent?
He has been gone 3 days. Though he had been ill for a long time, he often suffered chest pains this past year.
Pa je mogla bi ti gospođa možda malo požuriti.
Do you have children?
2 boys, both still young. My husband has left enough wealth to care for us until the boys are old enough to make their own way.
Your sons are waiting for you at home?
They are staying with relatives. I am not the company they deserve right now.
Your grief carries no shame, Hind. I too tasted its bitterness when I was a child and lost the people I cherished most.
Your parents?
My mother died young, and my father... it is complicated.
Sorry.
Still, I was fortunate to find another family, in a manner of speaking.
The heavier man at the cemetery?
Heavier man? Do not let him hear you say that.
My husband grew heavy later in life. You might ask your friend if he suffers from chest pains and heart flutters.
I doubt he would appreciate the thought. In his mind, he remains in his prime, though his body says otherwise.
Then he is a typical man. We are nearly there. See, that is my home. And beside it, my husband's warehouse. That mark. They are here.
Who?
They came for my husband's valuables.
Robbers, then?
In the warehouse, you will find a small wooden case. It holds my beloved husband's portrait. I beg you, retrieve it for me. But do not endanger your life for